In this video, I'm going to show you how to change pie chart color in Canva. First, head over to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. After that, go to the Charts category and find the pie chart there. Just click it and add it to your design. Okay, next, to change the color of this pie chart, you have to choose the sector that you want to change first. For example, let's change the color of the sales sector. To do that, just go up to the top toolbar and click the color of the sales sector, which is blue. This will open up the color panel on the left side of your screen. From here, you can choose the color from these options provided by Canva. Or, if you want something more specific, you can click this plus icon to add a new color. Just drag this circle to adjust the brightness, or use these sliders to change the hue. You can also type a hex code if you have one into this column. You can repeat the same steps as before to change the color of the other sectors. Just click the color of the sector that you want to change, then choose the color from this panel. And that's how you change pie chart color in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.